Go ahead, make sure you're holding on. Gotten a chance to do an intro because my camera batteries are dead and I cannot find the charger, so I just ordered one on Amazon. I love this fit. Y'all have seen me wear this before. I don't know why that looks weird, probably the ruching of it, but I'm wearing it with my blue jelly Tory Burch flip-flops I got a long time ago. It just all goes together, it just flows so well. But anyways, I'm in Florida right now. I'm in West Palm Beach. We've already went to Disney. We did that early on. I'm here for 9 days. My daughter's also here. I don't know if I showed that part. Right now she's with her dad's family, so I have this hotel to myself right now, and then in a couple of days I'll go get her and bring her back so we can do some more activities. I'm gonna try not to vlog so much in here because I need to get comfortable. Y'all know I'm kind of shy. But anyways, I'm going to go eat dinner. I need to bring my shoes just in case they don't let me wear flip-flops. I'm trying to eat very, very, very healthy while I'm here. Let me flip this. My hand's getting tired. I have to flip it the other way. So yeah, last night when I went out, I got a salad and like 4 drinks. And I don't even want to talk about how much my total was for that. But anyways, we're gonna go eat right now at this restaurant. I don't know anything about this restaurant. I don't know how good it is. I just searched restaurants near me and this one looked nice and it wasn't as far as the other ones. So that's one to go to. Just want to give y'all a quick fit check. I've had this dress for a few years now. And I just have them on with my Gucci flip-flops. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing to brunch. Super cute. Got a little bit of, you know, a little something, something. And then I'm going to be wearing this purse with it. So yeah. Not me wanting a new shoe, but my foot can't get in here. Oh, DJ say he don't give his songs away. Oh, they say you greedy. You're not sharing your songs. He is, y'all. He is greedy. He is greedy. He only gave me 3 nerds in my drink. Somebody said play Chris Brown. I do like Chris Brown. Where am I from? I'm from Houston. How? I'm doing very good. You're hungry? You're at your favorite place? Yeah. Y'all see the moon? The moon over there. Hey, my baby.
Hey, my mommy.
Oh, this is so blurry. That's my little munchkin. This would be kind of creepy at night. Like, what's in there? I'm not even gonna explore it. People are out here enjoying it. Yeah, I'm not gonna go out that far, but you know, about to go enjoy the beach, y'all. It's so pretty. Let me zoom in. That's beautiful. Look at the clouds, they're pink. Cool. But I don't know where I've seen it.
Look. robot cat because I think they're like all robots.
Ready for the movie. We came to the park after the movies. Come on, baby. That freaks me out. That's why I don't even want to go buy it. My daughter wants to go to the park, so that's where we are. It is kind of scary, and it is very creepy. I'm gonna go swing on the swings over here. I should not be out here in my white. Come over here to the big one, not the kid one. My middle one's not there. Like this came off. I'm gonna go ahead and go. So I am back. I hope that you guys enjoyed that little trip to Florida. The goal was just to take my little one to Disney World, and then everything else that we did was just kind of like unplanned, which she had a lot of fun, if you guys can tell. I made sure to keep her like active and keep her busy, you know, so we had a really good time. Now we're back in Houston. We're getting ready to go on a cute little picnic, so that's why I'm dressed like a mom. Hello. Hello, I'm a mom. Is that okay? Yeah, when I'm with the little one, I dress completely different, you guys. Like all that tight dress, I don't do any of that with the little one. But anyways, I'm wearing this purse out. I don't know what shoes I'm wearing right now. I have no idea because I don't have white flats. Last time I had some, I think I had to throw them away because Hurricane Harvey messed them up, and I just never had another pair since. And I'm also bringing my heart-shaped picnic basket. We're getting ready to go to the grocery store to go grab some things to fill it up with. I'm going to show you guys a clip of us at the park, but I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for my regular videos after this one. I just kind of wanted to do like a little recap of just a mommy baby trip that we did. And so yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. What you got?
Something to look cute.
Oh, something to look cute. Oh, you got a cute little basket?
Don't.
Okay, you can bring Sonic. Tell everybody bye.
Bye, chili fans. Bye, guys.
It's a little muggy out here, and it rained just before we got up. Let me show y'all. But
Very foggy.
yeah, we're sitting up here because it's wet, and I went to the grocery store and got a lot of stuff. Let me set that up and I'll be back. Does Sonic like that?
I think so.
Do you like the picnic?
Yeah, what is that?
This is hummus. Would you like to try some?
Mm-mm.
Oh. You were looking at it like you want to try it.
Just looking at it like, ew.
Oh. Excuse me.
I don't like it.
How do you know? You never had it.
I don't think I'm gonna like it. That's what I mean.
You gotta try it.
Mm-mm.
You don't want to try it?
Mm-mm.
Alright. I'm actually gonna try hummus, and then I'm going to put some of the
Chips?
no, actually. You were thinking I should put chips on it?
Mm-hmm.
No, I actually want to try some of the meat on top and see what that's like.
Meat is amazing.
The meat's amazing?
Mm-hmm.
You know what? The cheese, I think if I would have got smoked Gouda, that would have been really good too. Let me try this.
Mm-hmm. What's that?
I'm onto something. Let me get some lettuce.
And some cheese.
How are your sandwiches? No, I don't want any of the American cheese. Ooh, I'm onto something here. Put a little bit of ranch, which I have in the bag. Oh yeah.
Son just loved that. Son just loved that.
We did.
Yeah.
Sonic, what you doing?
Eating a lot of my snacks.
You better stop eating my baby
They're
snack.
sharing.
Oh, oh, okay.
Want a chip?
I'm gonna use it to scoop some of this on here. Yo, I'm onto something. Those sprinkles with Hidden Valley Ranch. Oh my God, that was amazing. Your mom is a big foodie. I don't know if they can see this. Whew, but it's good.
Holy moly cow.
Holy moly.
Holy moly. Yeah, baby.
For dessert, we have macarons.
And
So like little, what are those called?
morsels?
Like a little Hostess, little cupcake kind of thing.
Yeah.
I don't know why I closed this up like I wasn't gonna want it anymore. So I have naan bread. I put some hummus on it. Then I have this romaine lettuce that I put. I'm telling y'all in order. And then I put like half of this turkey breast and just kind of put it on top with a little bit of ranch. Oh my God. And the ranch with these chips. Oh my God. Let's talk about amazing. It's nice. It's not too hot. It's kind of hot, but not like overly hot. It's like jungle hot. You having fun talking to your dad?
Yeah. Can I have some Pringles?
Yes, ma'am. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Smash, like, and subscribe.
Oh, smash the like and subscribe.
BYE.
BYE.